Hello everyone, my name is Chris. Full name, Chris P. Chicken. The P stands for penguin. I'm the executive chef of my house, and when I cook, everything is amazing. I actually have a few recipes that I would like to show you guys, but today I have a special one. This is gourmet water. Gourmet water is just water, but it's gourmet. It's very easy to make. There's only a few steps to it. So I'm gonna go show you guys how to make gourmet water. Let's go.
It's the crispy chicken soup.
In this cup, I have the one ingredient that you need to make this dish. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to guess what you think is in this cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you ready? If you said water, then you're stupid. Because it's ice. Ice is all you need in order to make your gourmet water, and I'm going to show you how. Alright, the tool you're going to need is a cast iron skillet. You're going to put this on your thing. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to put your thing on medium or low heat. And so, it's already going to go on. Running red. So now I'm going to put my skillet onto this, and we're going to let that preheat for about 1 minute. Alright, now that it's been 1 minute, we're going to go ahead and start the cooking. Alright, you're gonna want to be kind of careful. I'm gonna put my ice. Oh crap! Ice. Put it in the skillet. Hear that sizzle? Alright, and you're also gonna need another tool. You're gonna need this spoon thingy. And since it's been warming up, I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 more on here. Alright, so. Crap! Alright, we're just going to mix that up a little bit. And now, at this point, you can actually turn it on to high. See? Now it'll get hotter and hotter. And I'm just going to toss this around right in here until it gets all melted. Just give it a nice little toss around. Set it down, and then at this point, you can put more in. 1, 2. I'm telling you, it's going to be delicious. It actually does not take long at all for it to dissolve. And so then you can just once more give it a nice little toss, shake it around, get it to go down a little bit, and then just repeat this process until all of your ice cubes are actually gone out of the cup. Crap! You can actually really hear that nice sizzle. We're just shaking it around, you know. And I'm actually out of ice cubes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this back on medium heat, cool it down, and just let it simmer. We're just going to cook this ice cubes up for a little bit more. Right, here we go. I've got them all here. We're just going to give that one final toss. Let it sit. Just give it a nice stir like a soup or so. And it looks pretty done to me. Alright, so the next process is the transfer. You're going to actually take this, and you're going to put this into your cup. But don't forget to turn off your thing first. There we go. Now, watch closely. Be very careful with it. It's going to go in. You can see the steam. I don't know if you can or not, but it's coming out. And this is just a small cup of water. This was about 10 ice cubes, maybe 9. But see right here, let me show you. We got this nice cup of water. Now, you can drink it hot if you want to, but why would you? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it cool down to room temperature for about 5 minutes, and just let it sit there. Do whatever you want. All right, so we've had it in for 5 minutes. Now for the final step. You're gonna take your fridge, open it up. Oh wow. Take your cup of gourmet water, and you're just gonna set it in the fridge and leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And in this 15 to 20 minutes, that'll really give the gourmet water time to cool down and give it its best flavor possibly. I'm gonna watch some TV while I wait. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes, so we're gonna go see how our water's doing. Alright, let's see. Here we go, water. Uh-oh, I don't have a good feeling about this. Nope, it's still a little warm. It's cooled off a little bit, but we're gonna put it in for another 5 minutes and see how that goes. Alright guys, so I just got this out of the fridge, and it's still a little warm, and it's been 25 minutes. So put it in longer. I'll see how long it takes to get cool. All right, y'all, it's been 30 minutes. We're gonna take out our cup. Yeah, it feels a lot better. All right, 30 minutes, guys, is what it took for it to cool down. So we're gonna do our taste test. All right, the gourmet water is finished. Fantastic. It has a sweetness and a texture that you would not find in any ordinary water. And that's what makes the gourmet water so special. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Go make you some gourmet water.